Hi guys, I hope you all are well. Just before watching my vlog, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Enjoy the vlog. Right then guys, how you all doing today? Welcome back to Kashif'S world. So today we've come to Middlesbrough Town Centre to look for a cereal which is called Best, which is created by Sidemen. So this cereal is quite popular. Got some birds here. So this Best cereal, they only sell these in Tesco's. So what I want to do is I want to go inside Tesco's, just right there, and I want to have a look if I can find this cereal. So, got Fatso's here as well. They do nice sandwiches in there. So let's go inside Tesco's and let's see if we can find this cereal. We just found it here. Best cereal. Here it is. There's two different kind of flavors of this Best cereal. One caramel gold and one choco crunch. So what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to go for this choco crunch because this one looks nice. So here we are, look, we're now £2. Yes guys, we've got our cereal here, so we can't wait to taste this once we get home. Made by Sidemen, made in Flake. Best. Right then guys, so we're just going to go Cafe Nero now for a hot chocolate. They do nice hot chocolates here, so let's go inside, let's take a look. Guys do a different kind of variety of cakes here. Look at these, they look absolutely fantastic. This one looks really nice, chocolate cake. You got some donuts, you got different kind of varieties. You got some nice sandwiches this side as well. You got some nice mixed berries here. Got some nice fruits. So you got plenty of drinks here as well to choose from. We do different kind of variety of crisps, popcorns. We sat on the table now, so what we got here is we got a nice latte here, and we got a hot chocolate here as well, and one orange juice along with brown sugars here. So wow, so this looks absolutely amazing. So let's give this a taste. If you guys notice here, look at this, how awesome is this? It's basically got a heart image on the latte. How spectacular is that? Nice, that looks beautiful. Nice. Let's give this a taste. Let's put the spoon on the side. Let's give this a taste. Wow, that was really nice, very nice and sweet. It's absolutely beautiful. It was really nice. We've just finished our hot chocolate and that was absolutely fantastic, beautiful. I would recommend you coming to a Cafe Nero to try this hot chocolate out because it's absolutely fantastic. Just leaving Cafe Nero now, push the door. We go to Primark now, just have a quick look what they do inside Primark. We've got some phone covers here. So in this Hill Street centre you've got different kind of variety of shops as well. So there's plenty to look around here. Just entering Primark now. So here we are, we just arrived in Primark. So we just arrived in Primark, guys. So you've got plenty of clothing here for ladies and men's. Got some nice sunglasses here for the kids. Right then guys, so you got men's sunglasses here, look at these. Different kind of options to choose from. These look good. Take a look at these. Got some chinos here as well. Different kind of colours of chinos. These are nice, comfortable trousers. As you know, summer's coming up now, so there's plenty of summer clothes now in Primark as well. You got some jean shorts as well. Shops here in Middlesbrough Town. Ian's tissue rolls, which are now on offer, £1.69. Got plenty of variety of sweets here. You got Lay's, different flavours, paprika. You got lime. Then you got Mexican chicken, tomato. You've got Lay's Pringles as well. these for the kids as well. With our little tractor with sweets inside. We got a mobile phone as well. We got gummy hot dogs here. Gummy pizza. And you got gummy burgers as well. Yeah, it's a good shop, guys. We've got every single thing in here. Look at these for the kids as well. We've got, if you come to this aisle, we've got lots more to choose from. Cream eggs, they're my favourite, these. They could be very sugary, but it's very delicious. So guys, I just found this. It's good. You get different kind of colours for this as well. You've got football tattoos here, guys, for 20 pence each. That's what you'll be getting. All them football tattoos, England tattoos. It's a nice, beautiful day today, guys. It's nice and bright. Little bit of light winds, but other than that, it's not too cold today. Nice donuts from this place. Really nice. Right then, guys, we're going to get a jack potato here now. We've gone for the jack potato with cheese, beans and tuna. Here's all your prices here. So there's plenty of jack potatoes to choose from with your own fillings as well. We've got a nice beautiful photo of the jack potato just there. Hot and cold drinks with it. It's just like a little caravan here. Right then, guys, we got our jack potato here. So what we're going to do is we're going to try this. Here we are, we got our jack potato here. Let's open the tray. Oh wow, look at this. Jack potato with cheese, beans and tuna. Wow, look at that. It's beautiful. Right, let's give this a taste. So first of all, look at that. You can see cheese there. You can see tuna. So here we are. We got our potatoes. We got our tuna. You got our cheese. Let's give this a taste. Wow, fantastic! It's really amazing, this jack potato. Whenever I go to Middlesbrough Town Centre, I always get this jack potato from this caravan because they do good quality of jack potatoes. Really amazing. Once again, look at that, guys. Beautiful. Wow. Finished my jack potato there, and I must say I've really enjoyed this, as I always enjoy it when I have this jack potato. If you are interested of having this jack potato, you'll find this little caravan in the Middlesbrough Town Centre, just next door to her niece's. And this jack potato did cost me £5. The reason being is got tuna on top of that. That's why. So normally if you get jack potato with cheese, beans, it's going to cost you £4. But we got it with tuna, so it's £1 extra, so which cost me £5 in total. So right then, guys, we're going to make our way back upstairs to the car park. So what we're going to do is going to use the lifts just on the right here. We're going to press the button and we're going to go upstairs. Fantastic. And here we are. Right, guys, let's make our payment for this car park. Look at the beautiful view just there. Wow. Got some nice beautiful views here. Got nice buildings here, as you can see. Fantastic. Got the road all the way down there. Fantastic. Right, let's finish up the vlog here, everyone. I hope everyone enjoyed that. If you enjoyed it, give it a like, comment, subscribe. Take care, and I'll see you all for the next one.